Hey guys, Tim with Little Crow Gunworks. Welcome back to the channel. Well, here's another impromptu video. I wasn't planning on doing this either. I got a custom rifle that we just built for a client and we just finished up. This is a 7 PRC. It's in a AG Composites carbon fiber privateer stock with textured grip added. Zermatt Arms Origin Action, Hawkins Bottom Metal Hunter DBM, Excalibur 26-inch 7.5 twist number 5 barrel with 6-groove spiral flute, 4-port muzzle brakes and more, CFBs 2. Just out here sighting it in. This is a loopholed optic that the client supplied. He wanted us to put on it and sight it in, so just out here sighting it in. See, I got Hornady factory Precision Hunter 175 ELDX Precision Hunter ammo. Still says 3,000 on the muzzle velocity. We were averaging about 29.15, 29.10, something like that. And I took 4 shots to sight it in, and then shot the first 3-shot group. I was gonna put maybe a box and a half through it and just shoot some groups and see how it's doing for precision. Make sure everything's on the up and up. And I shot the 4 shots to sight it in, and then I was like, all right, took my big cardboard down, put a board up with a bunch of bullseyes on it, thinking, all right, I'll just shoot a bunch of 3-shot groups. And you know, this privateer stock, this is a really lightweight gun. It's I think it's 8 pounds 15 ounces, so it's just under that 9-pound mark, ready to go. You know, I know we spent a lot of time in the 7 series working on heavy guns, but we can build light guns too. They're just, then the onus is on you a little more to control it, and they're a little harder to shoot accurately, but still capable of tremendous precision. It's only a 14 power scope on there, and I couldn't tell if there was more than one bullet hole with this group that I shot. Again, 3-shot group at 100 yards. So I have not walked down here yet. You guys are going to see this with me and see how it shot. Whoa! That is the first 3-shot group out of this gun. You see, these are all blank pasties. I forgot my little orange 1/2-inch dots that I usually use, but I had these in the car. So that is about a 1/4-inch group, maybe less. See, there's 2 in the center hole and then 1 up here. So first 3-shot group, brand new custom rifle. So if you guys are interested in something like this, feel free to give us a call. Phone number is down in the description. Have a good day, guys.